Hey guys, welcome back to Sharp Action and another video. In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Lenovo Vibe K5 Plus.
I remember you, you lift my spirit, with you high is all I'm feeling.
So in this review, I'm going to be telling you about everything about this phone. It's a really good phone. So I'll just start with everything that's outside of this phone. So as you can see, the front camera, it's a 5 megapixel front camera, which is decent, and the rear camera is a 13 megapixel camera. It comes with a Dolby Atmos. It's very good. The speaker, it gives you a cinematic effect. Obviously a Lenovo phone. The flashlight is also there, and as you can see, this red dot. Right now I'm charging this. You'll get to know why I'm charging this ahead, but right now I'm charging this, that's why it's red. Once the charging is full, this light will go green, I suppose, or it'll go away. So when I've got a notification in my phone, this red light will turn green, and that will give me an indication of a notification. And these are the buttons of clearing your tasks, going home and going back. The volume button and the power button. When you get the phone and when you unbox the phone, that time you get to know you get a cover. The cover is already applied to the phone, and you'll get a screen guard. Both of these things are quite unusual. Yeah, and you get a charger that's like normal. As I told you before, I get a notification when I get a green light when there's a notification. So that's quite good about it. I really like this phone right now. I'll just get into the things inside. Okay, so I'll just tell you the specs right now. It runs on a lollipop version when you get it. It's mixed with the Vibe user interface. The processor is a Snapdragon 616, which causes a lot of heating problems. Heating is the main issue in this phone, but this phone is cheap also, so I would say it's okay, but for most of the users it isn't. So even when you're talking for 5 to 10 minutes, this will go very hot. But the cover, saves it a bit. So if you take out the cover and then you feel it, it's really bad. It's really hot then. And the battery drains out quite quickly, I would say. That's a very big problem. It's just like what happened with the OnePlus 2. But this phone there are very less stock, so I think you should use the link down in the description. And if you use my link, it'll help the channel a lot. So, and now I'll just get ahead. So I've got the 3GB RAM model, which is quite decent. Of course, 3GB. This comes in two variants: the 3GB RAM model and a 2GB one. Where the 2GB one comes for 6,999 rupees, so Indian rupees. So that's quite cheap. If you want, you can get that one too. I would really prefer you getting this one, because this has 3GB RAM. It goes smooth. Even if I open many apps, it will go extremely smooth. We'll do a speed test also. Let's see how fast it can go. We'll do it ahead in this video. Okay. So as you can see, it's 5.1.1 the version. The RAM 3GB and the internal memory is 16 GB. I would say the user interface is very clean. The display is 12.7 centimeters and is full HD, literally full HD. As you can see, I guess it's AMO LED also, or you could say AMOLED, whatever you like to say, because on the side you don't get any rainbowish feeling. It is full HD. It's really good from every angle. I would say from this angle, when you see it looks a bit better, but it's just too good. I really would recommend you this phone. So now let's get into a speed test. We'll just start the stopwatch. We'll open up 10 apps, and then we'll go through all the apps, and let's see if all of them are on. So let's start. First, let's open Gmail. Okay, it started. Let's open up play music. It's still starting. Still starting. It started. Let's start. Play movies and TV. Okay, so I've not done that. Okay, it started. Let's start Google Drive. Skip. It started. Hangouts. We're just opening all the. It started. Theme Center. It started. The normal Google. It started. Then Google settings. Started. Camera. Started. Play Store. Started. Okay, now let's go back from the apps. Let's see if Gmail is on. Yep, Gmail is on. Let's see, play music is on. Yep, play music is on. Play movies and TV is still on. Google Drives is still on. Hangouts went off, but it's still working. Google is still on. Google settings is still on. Team Center is still on. Camera is still on. Play Store is still on. And as you can see, so many apps are still on, and this thing is still working. This is how good this is. It just took us around, I would say, let's take it as 142 seconds, because like 3 seconds I think went in waste. So 145 seconds, I mean 1 minute 45 seconds. It's a quite decent speed for opening. About, we opened exactly 10 apps, and these 10 apps were still on in 1 minute 42 seconds. This is a very fast phone. It's 3 GB RAM. It's running quick as flash. Let's do an audio test now. Okay, I'm sure there's one Dolby Atmos video. Okay, so let's do. Everything is on. Okay, it's starting. As I said, this gives a very cinematic sound. You can see this is how good the audio is. We had done a speed test, even a audio test. We start the flashlight. Let's start the flashlight. Okay, that looks really cool. I would say, oh, whoa, it looks really cool when you put this on a camera. That looks as if some aliens are there. Just look at that light. That's actually the glare or whatever. It looks really cool. Okay, so that's one more thing of that. I would say Other than the cooling, this full phone is filled with very good features. I would highly recommend you buying this phone for just 8,500 rupees, and recommend you buying this gold color because this is the best color. If you want to do a comparison test of this with a Samsung J7 2016 edition, I'm going to be doing a review on that very soon. And I can even do a comparison test of this with the Redmi Note 3, which is a magnificent phone. I would say it's really good. Or we could do a comparison test with a J2. It's all on you. So guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, see ya.